Hello everyone, welcome back to the Unsalted Kitchen channel. What I'm about to show you in this video is the secret ingredients to my super tender and soft sandwich bread that will stay fresh even after a few days, whether it's stored inside the fridge or not. The secret formula is Tangzhong or water-roux. 3 ingredients and only takes minutes to make it. Here are all the ingredients. To make the water-roux or Tangzhong, we'll need 3 tablespoons fresh milk, 4 tablespoons cold water, 2 tablespoons of bread flour, and a small pot. Combine water, milk, and flour together in the pot. Turn the stove on and whisk the mixture until there are no lumps. Cook over medium heat, whisking constantly until the mixture has thickened and has the consistency of a thick paste. This should only take less than 10 minutes to cook the water-roux. Remove from heat, place the mixture into a small bowl and cover with cling film. Make sure that the surface is touched with the cling film to prevent a skin from forming. A few notes: you can also make this ahead and can be kept for up to 2 days in the fridge to save time. Instead of bread flour, you can use all-purpose flour. And if you like your bread less creamy, you can also replace the milk with water. This sandwich bread is so versatile. You can toast it and slather with butter, jam, or any favorite jelly of yours, but mostly I just make sandwiches out of it. To some, use it for French toast. Thank you for watching the Unsalted Kitchen channel again. If you like this video, then hit like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get updates for new videos. Also, I would love to read your comment, so please tell me what do you think about this video and recipe. Thank you.